Hello everyone, this is me, Madhuri Shivali, Rihanna School Online Academy, Sir Dalat Education Wireless Student, and also Facilitator Level 1 in Batch 2. So, good afternoon, well. So, today I am going to share a review of our very inspiring TEDx talk. That TEDx is a global platform where speakers from different fields share their ideas and experience in short, powerful talks. This talk are designed to inspire, to spark curiosity, and to spread knowledge in a way that anyone can understand. The talk I am reviewing today is by Ramsey Musalsam, a high school chemistry teacher who gave us three simple rules to spark learning and imagination. So that is now going to uh, amazing. So my reviews start right now. The TEDx talk I watched is by Ramsey Musalam, a high schooling chemistry teacher. He shared his personal journey of how a life threatening medical condition completely changed his perspective on teaching. Before this he realized he had been doing pursued teaching for almost 10 years, just delivering information without truly engaging students. After his recovery, Ramsey discovered that the real role of a teaching is not just up it's not just to pass on fact but to cultivate curiosity. He believed curiosity in the driving force behind all real learning. In his talk, he shared the three simple rule to spark imagination and make students more excited about learning. Curiosity, number one, curiosity comes first. In, Instead of giving answer, teachers should create question that make curiosity a cursor. Student naturally want to explore and discover more. Embarrass the maze. Number two point, learning is not always near, neat and perfect. Experiment may fail and ideas may seem confusing at first, but that's messiness is where real understanding begin. Practice reflection. Both teachers and students should reflect on what they learned, what worked, and what could be improved. Reflection learn experience into turn learning. What make this talk powerful is that Muslim speak with honesty, humor, and real life example. He show short science demonstration that prove how curiosity can instantly grab attention and spark imagination. The main message of this statics talk is education is not about feeding student information, it's about opening their natural sense of wonder. When teacher encourage curiosity, accept mistakes as part of the process and reflect on their practice, students not only learn better but also stay motivated explore the world. So my reflection is that I really like this talk because it's show just giving lectures. It is about inspiring inspiring curiosity. This three rules are simple but very practical, not only for teacher but also for anyone who wants to keep learning in lives. So I hope you guys I hope you like that TEDx talk and the topic. They all key points is most important for us for teaching field and many other fields. So see you next time in next TEDx review. I hope you like it and share with my video and like. Thank you so much.